Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a simple yet very delicious recipe to make mango papaya barfi. If you enjoy today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Just 4 basic ingredients to make this papaya mango barfi. In a pan add some ghee. I'm using 1 medium papaya and I've chopped it into small cubes. 2 medium mangoes, only the pulp. Give everything a really good mix. If you want a really smooth texture of barfi, you can also make puree of the fruits first instead of just, chopping them into cubes. But since you cook them, they kind of really mash well and give that chunky texture to the barfi, so it's your choice. So let it cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes until they get thick like this. Now we'll add half a cup of milk powder and half a cup of sugar. This will give that thick consistency to the barfi. Cook it on a medium to medium low flame. Take your time to mix everything really well. The milk powder needs to, gel well with the fruits. So we are going to cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes really dry and thick. So look at that, it has become really thick and cooked well. The sugar is also melted well. Now we'll add some cardamom powder. Give everything a quick mix one more time and now you can switch off the flame. To set our barfi, here I'm using a cake pan that's lined with parchment paper. You can also use a regular steel plate, but make sure to kind of have a lining of parchment paper, otherwise the barfi kind of sticks to the plate and doesn't come off that well. So just place it and press it really well. I'm just going to garnish it with some pistachios. You can use any dry fruits of your choice, but pistachios kind of look really pretty on that orange color. Simply let it rest in refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours. I had let it rest for 3 hours in deep fridge. Take it out and now I'm just gonna cut it into cubes to give that barfi shape. So just square pieces. Let's lift one and see how well it is set. Looks great. Look at that. If you've enjoyed today's recipe of papaya mango barfi, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.